Walk safe and dry behind one of Norway's most popular waterfalls. Steinsdalsfossen near Norheimsund is easily accessible right next to the road. Steinsdalsfossen is of the spectacular sort, as you can walk behind the waterfall on the path leading up from the car park without getting wet. Following the riverbank, the path goes behind the waterfall and out to the vantage point on the other side. From here, you can admire Steinsdalsfossen, a beautiful view of Norheimsund and over the entire Steinsdalen Valley. With its 50-meter drop, the waterfall has become a popular attraction and subject to many photos in recent years and is worth a visit. With the tourist office and a café close by, Steinsdalsfossen is accessible to everyone, whether you're in a wheelchair, use a cane or bring a stroller. Admire the waterfall and the forces of nature from the patio in the front, from the path behind it or the café by the car park. With good parking, the tourist information close by, and as a highlight along the Norwegian scenic route, Steinsdalsfossen is a natural pit stop along the way.